In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Zoom meeting on iPhone 2026 tutorial. If you want to join a Zoom meeting from your iPhone, the process is pretty simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Zoom Workplace. Go ahead and download and install the app. On iPhone, Zoom meetings are joined through the mobile app, so this step is necessary before you can get into a meeting. Once the app is installed, open Zoom Workplace. You do not need to create a Zoom account just to join someone else's meeting in most cases. The only exception is if the host has turned on a setting that requires participants to sign in before joining. When you're on the Zoom home screen, tap Join. This option lets you enter a meeting without signing in, which is helpful if you just want quick access. Next, type in the meeting ID that was shared with you by the host, then tap Join. Make sure the ID is entered correctly, since even a small mistake can take you to the wrong place or prevent you from joining. If Zoom asks for a passcode, enter the passcode from the meeting invitation, then tap Continue or Join Meeting. Some meetings require this extra security step, so it's completely normal if you see it. Another easy option is joining from an invitation link. If someone sent you a Zoom link through email, text, messenger, or another app, you can simply tap the link. Your iPhone should automatically open the Zoom app and take you straight to the meeting. If prompted, allow microphone and camera access. These permissions let Zoom use your voice and video during the call. You can also decide whether you want your camera on or off before entering, which is useful if you want a little privacy when you first join. When the audio prompt appears, choose Wi-Fi or cellular data, sometimes labeled Join with Internet Audio. This uses your iPhone's internet connection for sound. Also, make sure your volume is turned up so you can hear the meeting clearly. Depending on the host settings, you may enter the meeting right away, or you might be placed in a waiting room until the host admits you. If that happens, just wait a moment. Once you're inside, tap the screen to bring up the meeting controls. From there, you can mute or unmute your mic.